Okay, I just wanted to show you, you can see right here, here is the process of photosynthesis, and this is a little diagram that I went ahead and I created, and then I have the little parts right here that you would use to fill in the diagram. And I like this because what I created to go along with it is this reading, and this reading allows students to follow along, and they can do check marks as they're filling in this diagram, so they can just basically go off and say, all right, I added that, and so forth, so they can check off. So if you look right here, what they actually do is that they will read, and it says for number 1, step 1, glue the cloud that says process of photosynthesis on top of number 1. Well, right here there was a number 1. So what I did was I took this little cloud, just like the directions said, and then I glued it on here. And then you can go to the next step, where it says in step 2, in plants the process of photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. And you can see right here, here's a chloroplast. And then it says glue the box that says chloroplast on top of number 2, which is pointing to a chloroplast. So if I look over here, you'd have your all your little animations. I colored mine in, and you just look for where it says chloroplast. Oh, there it is right there. So then you grab it, and you do exactly what it says. You glue this to wherever number 2 is, and you can see number 2 is pointing to the chloroplast, and they can glue it on. I have another one where the numbers aren't on here, and I like that just as well because you can have your students come in after you've gone over the process of photosynthesis and the 2 reactions, and you can just have these little characters ready for your students when they come in, and they grab the little characters and they place it where they think they go and which reaction that they take place in. So you can see right here, then I would take you can start filling in the little piece and stuff. So this just is something I created. I thought it'd be really helpful just with your students, that you can add the little pieces in, and then you can review with your students, or while you're lecturing you can go ahead and add these little places in. I'm a really big fan of having a lot of animations, and even though I like things online, I like pictures in my PowerPoint, this is a little bit easier, more hands-on for me. So if you like this, you should check out my protein synthesis reenactment. I have a lot of little figures for that. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks. Bye-bye.